What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another wig installation. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're already a part of the family, please, thank you for coming back. And today we're working with Cynosure here, and we'll be installing her. This is a deep wave. When I tell you guys about good lace, good melt, and everything, guys, y'all need to get this. AliExpress is hosting their massive anniversary sale from March 18 to March 27, and it's the perfect time to shop new styles at low prices. Elevate your style for less on AliExpress. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to show you guys what I got in the packaging from Cynosure here, and this is her. I plucked it a little bit more. So in the packaging with the hair, I got these. So they gave us some lashes, some wig cap, and this is just a simple manual with all the instructions. And then this is the hair. The knots are pretty small. I did not need to bleach them. All I did was a little bit more plucking and it was ready. So let's install her.
Oh God, I'm L-R-E-E, full nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no full nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Y'all been hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. I'm L-R-E-E, full nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no full nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Y'all been hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends.
So I'm going to use the scissors to cut the excess lace. Do you guys see that? This is how you want your wig cap to be looking. Alright, y'all, so this is what our wig cap is giving.
Popping out at party, gotta put me for a show. They say I be living fast, nah, pussy boy slow. Hey, we hopping out at red lights, twerking on them headlights. She say she can't come outside today, that means.
Now we're going to go ahead and fit this wig to our liking.
She scared, right? I put up in the winter, in the summer, pop out at night. Bragging on that nigga top, you better hold his head tight. Anyways, life's great, pussy still good. They still eating cake, wishing that a bitch really got my foot up on their necks as a bitch should. On the front, I'm
So I usually put these to the last clip because I need it to be nice and tight. Alright guys, so this is it. Really perfect. I love the fact that the knots are small, really tiny knots. You can't even see them. This wig is so soft and full. I love it so much, and it's not even installed as yet.
I ain't gotta worry about no full nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Y'all been hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. I'm L-R-E-E, full nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no full nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Y'all been hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends.
Always blow on cool hair, not hot, not warm, cool. Whenever it becomes clear, then you can go ahead and add your next layer of glue. I think I'm going to be doing 3 layers.
Catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I see seen that duck turn to a Louis. How you did that? That look like a brand new booty. How you did that? You got face stones and over watch it. How you did that? You hear some skeletons.
Y'all, I just feel like this melt is going to be perfect. Look at that.
In your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash slash? How I kill a cat? Yeah, hopping around in the two to make back pillows in the back. Too many rounds and if police acting, someone gon' get wet. How you gon' get me when you still owe me? How you gon' do that? Snatch a Ruger bag, give a nigga a yak attack. I get my.
We don't need this, so we're getting rid of it, of course, cause we don't need it.
Shoot a whack, meat and cheese and that's the rap. Ain't nighttime but your tango. How you do that shit? Me and Glenn fuck the same hoe. How you do that bitch? Shit, I catch up on the AR.
I think a side part will suit this wig well, so we're gonna be doing a side part.
How you did that? Check out lift up when you take off. How you did that? You put switches up all your blickers. How you did that? Your LB bed turned to a legit. How you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis. How you did that?
Purr.
That look like a brand new booty. How you did that? You got face stones and over watch it. How you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet. Why you did that?
Told you guys that we were going to get a perfect melt from this wig, and it was no cap. No cap. So for our second melt, we're gonna use the melting spray.
They hit your man, you ain't get no straightening. How you live with that? She fucked the hood. How you lay and have a kid with that? My jello go toast, but she hoop up. Yeah, I need that. Kick more shit than you though. And she like, I how you get that shit? You got her man on your hoe. Let me back sit with John too rich to drive a road. Walk my shit like plumber, me and gun and diamond flesh. I'm gon' ball out summer, just all grinding for a month. Little hop out dump, shit, I catch up on the AR. How you did that? Check out lift up when you take off. How you did that? You put switches up all your blickers. How you did that? Your LB bed turned to a legit. How you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis. How you did that?
We don't want our wig to look dry, right?
That look like a brand new booty. How you did that? You got face stones and over watch it. How you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet. Why you did that?
Yeah. Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping bands concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not.
For me, I like to do my sideburns down and the edges in the front up. So I curl these one up and these one down. I don't know about you, but that's just me.
Not an object, busy than a motherfucker. You know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree. You know how the dog get. Haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic. They gon' round years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are real, the panty is real. Might try into a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, or Linda Felicia. She came for me twice. I didn't even know her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. But soon as I started confessing my sins, he wouldn't believe it. Sins. I got sins on my mind.
Y'all, quick and easy install. Very quick, very easy. Perfect melt.